mean value of alternating current. What is the mean value of alternating current? Actually, mean value means average value also. Okay, what does it mean? See, this is our alternating current. This is our alternating current. Okay, this is the alternating current. Okay, now what happened if we will try to find the average current in one cycle 0 to t time? What will happen? This is positive half and this negative half, they will get cancelled, and average current in complete cycle from 0 to t, one time period, average cycle I bar, it is I bar, from 0 to 2, that is one time period, it will come to be 0 because one positive and negative half will cancel each other, so 0. So what we do, we define average current by in half cycle 0 to t by 2, either positive or negative. What we do, so how we define average current? What we see here, we define like this, that in half cycle, first of all we came to know that we define average current in half cycle. Now in half cycle, suppose in this half cycle, we know that if it is IT curve, we know that area of the IT curve, you know this, that area of this IT curve, it will give charge, that you know, because charge Q is equal to integration of I dt, that you know. Okay, so we know that area under this IT curve will give charge. Now we define average current like this. We say what is the minimum average or constant or steady value of the current, say as I bar, this is steady value, constant value of current, such that the area enclosed by this steady current is equal to the area enclosed by this red one. Okay, so this steady value of the current is called as average value of this alternating current, which has same area, or we can say which supply the same amount of charge as the charge supplied by this alternating current in half cycle. That is only written here, you can see here. Okay, we can go through it. It is given in half time interval. What is important point we should know? It is important that we define here with the help of amount of charge. Should remember this. It is defined by the amount of charge. Okay, and second important point is in half interval. Okay, we define it in half interval. Okay, now how to find the average current? You must have studied to find the average current. You must have studied that to find average value of anything in physics or in mathematics, you came to know that we do like this: t by 2 integration I dt by dt 0 to t by 2. This will give the average value of current. Okay, now we know that average value of current is equal to, you see here, integration of 0 to t by 2 into I dt by integration of dt 0 to t by 2, it will come to be t by 2. Okay, now you can solve it. What we will get? I bar into t by 2 is equal to integration of I dt 0 to t by 2. This is the formula you should remember. What it is telling, see here. If you will see the formula, it is telling that this is the charge flown by this alternating current in half cycle. See here, I dt means charge supplied by the alternating current in half cycle, and this is the charge supplied by this steady current in half cycle, and they both are equal. So if we will find this value of I bar, we will get the value of average current. Okay, got it or have any problem? You should remember this formula, it is very important. Okay, having any problem till here? Any problem?